Most people use ChatGPT like a simple search engine, typing basic questions and getting basic answers. But with its latest upgrades and a few advanced strategies, you're missing out on automating entire creative and analytical workflows. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to transform ChatGPT from a chatbot into your personal AI assistant, tackling complex projects with minimal effort. ChatGPT has exploded onto the scene, evolving at a speed few anticipated. As of June 2026, it boasts an incredible 900 million weekly active users, a massive jump from 400 million just 15 months earlier in February 2025. It crossed the 1 billion monthly active user mark in June 2026, making it the fastest application to reach that milestone within 3 years of its launch. Every day the platform processes over 2 billion queries, with users globally sending approximately 2.5 billion prompts. This isn't just a tool, it's a digital phenomenon transforming how we work and create. Yet for many, the true power remains untapped. They're stuck in the cycle of single-turn prompts, missing the deeper capabilities that move beyond simple question and answer. The future of ChatGPT, according to OpenAI, is transforming it into a super app, integrating coding tools, image generation, and even third-party applications like Canva and Booking.com. This massive redesign is expected to roll out in the coming weeks, promising a seamless integrated experience that goes far beyond what you've seen before. To keep pace, OpenAI has already retired older models like GPT 5.1 in March 2026, and plans to retire OpenAI o3 and GPT 4.5 from ChatGPT in August and June 2026 respectively. This constant evolution means focusing on newer, more capable models, making advanced strategies not just a luxury, but a necessity to maximize its potential. So, how do you step beyond basic prompts and leverage ChatGPT for true automation? Our first advanced strategy is all about persona engineering and multi-turn conversations. Stop treating ChatGPT like a blank slate every time. Instead, assign it a specific role or persona before giving it a task. For example, instead of asking write a marketing email, try act as a seasoned email marketer specializing in SaaS products. Your goal is to write a persuasive email about a new feature. This instantly elevates the quality and relevance of the output. The key is to establish context and a continuous dialogue. Think of it as onboarding a new team member. You wouldn't just give them a single task, you'd give them background, define their role, and then iterate. This approach allows ChatGPT to maintain context across multiple turns, producing far more coherent and sophisticated results for complex projects. Next, let's explore leveraging custom instructions and extended context windows. This is where ChatGPT truly starts to feel like an extension of your own thought process. Custom instructions, once set, apply to every single conversation you have, unless overridden. Use them to define your preferred tone, writing style, or even specific technical requirements. For instance, you could tell it, always respond in a concise professional tone, using American English, and never exceeding 3 paragraphs. This frees you from repeating basic parameters in every prompt. Modern ChatGPT models also have significantly larger context windows, meaning they can remember more of your conversation history. Use this to your advantage by feeding it extensive background information, research documents, or previous drafts, allowing it to build upon that knowledge for highly specialized and nuanced outputs. It learns your preferences over time, making future interactions even more efficient. Our third strategy focuses on chaining prompts for complex workflows. Most real-world tasks aren't single-step. Automation with ChatGPT means breaking down a large task into smaller sequential prompts. Consider a creative project, like writing a blog post. Instead of write a blog post about AI, try this first. Brainstorm 5 engaging titles for a blog post about advanced ChatGPT strategies. Second, create a detailed outline for the blog post using the title. Third, write the introduction based on the outline, targeting a tone. For tech-savvy readers, you continue this chain, prompt by prompt, guiding ChatGPT through each stage of content creation. For analytical tasks, it could be extract key data points from this text, followed by summarize the trends in the extracted data, and finally, draft 3 actionable recommendations based on the summary. This modular approach allows for granular control and ensures each component meets your specific requirements, essentially automating your entire workflow step by step. Building on that, our fourth strategy is integrating with other tools and APIs. While the super app is coming, you can start integrating now. ChatGPT isn't just for generating text, it can also generate code snippets, write formulas, or structure data in formats easily imported into other software. Imagine using ChatGPT to draft a Python script that scrapes web data, then asking it to analyze that data and summarize findings, all before feeding the summary into a presentation tool. Or, for creative tasks, use ChatGPT to generate variations of marketing copy, then refine and translate those directly within an external translation tool, all orchestrated by your initial prompts. This strategy leverages ChatGPT's versatility as a powerful brain that can communicate with and direct other digital tools, significantly reducing manual effort and speeding up project completion. This is how over 92% of Fortune 500 companies have integrated ChatGPT into their workflows, and why OpenAI now serves 1 million paying business customers. Finally, let's talk about leveraging data-driven feedback and iteration. The first output from ChatGPT is rarely the final output. Think of it as a highly capable but still nascent assistant. Provides specific, actionable feedback to refine its responses. Instead of make it better, try shorten the second paragraph by 20% and add a stronger call to action at the end. Or, the tone is too formal, rewrite this section with a more conversational voice, using examples relevant to small businesses. The more precise your feedback, the better. ChatGPT learns your preferences, and the more quickly it converges on your desired outcome. This iterative process, fueled by specific data points from previous outputs, transforms ChatGPT into a highly adaptable and personalized tool that continuously improves, learning your unique style and needs. This isn't just about personal productivity, it's about business transformation. OpenAI's annualized revenue for ChatGPT reached $20 billion by the end of 2025, climbing to a run rate of approximately $25 billion by early 2026. With 10 million users globally subscribing to ChatGPT Plus, the paid version of the service, it's clear that advanced capabilities are driving significant value. Learning these strategies now positions you at the forefront of this AI revolution. By moving beyond basic prompts and embracing these advanced strategies, you're not just using a tool, you're building a powerful automated assistant tailored to your specific creative and analytical needs. Start by picking one strategy, like persona engineering, and experiment. You'll be amazed at the difference it makes. If you found this guide helpful, consider subscribing for more insights into the world of AI. Stay curious. This is AI Unpacked.